Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you the solution of the problem called fix the issue the currency and your account currency mismatch on your Roblox. So how can you solve this issue in your mobile phone? So if your currency is showing mismatch, like if you're adding any gift card or if you're sending any gift card on Roblox and the currency is different from the base currency of your account, how can you solve this issue? Firstly guys, we just need to understand that this is a bug, this is a problem due to your technical issue in your mobile phone, in a server or in Roblox server. How can you solve that? There are so many chances and so many possibilities that this error can happen. The first one is the network error, second one is the bug in your application, third one is lagging your mobile phone. So there are so many circumstances by which this can happen, but we will tell you that how can you clear or how can you solve it in just one shot from your mobile phone here. Firstly, we just have to find Roblox on our mobile phone here and tap it for 3 or 4 seconds. I will go on my iPhone setting and find Roblox here. As you can see, this is my Roblox here, and I will enable its background app refresh, and also I will clear all the cache, all the extra data from this account, and if possible then please delete this application and install it again, log in again and restart your mobile phone. After that, just try doing the same thing and it will be successfully done. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. Keep watching.